How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. This video is a tutorial. Normally I do beginner focused, maybe even intermediate focused steps, but this one is an advanced one, and I haven't done one in a very long time. This one's very advanced. It is a hornpipe, a slow hornpipe geared more towards competitive dancers. It was actually an extra step that I made that I ended up not using as part of a choreography order from a dance school. Just ended up never using it, and it was hanging out on my computer, and I figured, hey, this might be actually some pretty cool content and a challenge for some of my more advanced Irish dancers. So this is not for the faint of heart, but I would still say give it a try. Challenge yourselves and try and learn this. It's a tricky one. It goes to a 113 hornpipe. Really fun step. Without further ado, here is the tutorial. How's it going? This is your tutorial breakdown for the second step of the hornpipe. There'll also be another video of this all to music and in hard shoes. But since I'm in an apartment in New Jersey with very close neighbors, I'm going to be dancing the tutorial part in capizios. You should be able to hear the rhythms though. I'll try to be as clear and precise as possible, but you'll also have that video to music in hard shoes and all that, so you know how it works with the music. That being said, let's dive into this step. So we're gonna play right off of that 8th bar. 8, 2, 3 is when that back foot comes down for a held, compressed, fast treble. So to go 8, 2, 3. Okay. Into a fast compressed treble into a tip hop toe. So set 8, 2, 3. Okay. The best way I can explain this super fast toe trick is kind of how simple it is, and then you just finesse it. So it'll look like it's like a hopping toe 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 toe. Essentially what we're doing is from the toe we're gonna go left, right, left, toe. So we're gonna go, then we're gonna repeat it in its opposite form, starting with the front foot. So it'll go, if you can see that, maybe little camera, it'll go. Okay, and you're pushing off the start of it, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. And in the air, you're throwing your feet as hard as you can. Okay. Okay. Down, treble, and tip and toe, ba-ba-ba-ba. Okay, so it's kind of like an on-toe movement, and it can kind of look like you're up on toes, but it is and it isn't, because we really don't put weight on toe. You're up there, but you're merely like striking the toes very fast and with no weight on anything until the very end, the landing of the jump. Okay, so 2, 3, and triple and dip. Into a butt kick hop, hop, into a fast treble drop heel. Okay, so 8, 2, 3. Da-ba-da-da, da-ba-da-da, da-ba-da-da-ba-ba-bum. You're gonna put all your weight on your back foot to then go into a bang. Okay, 8, 2, 3. Ba-ba-da-ba, ba-ba-da-ba, ba-ba-da-da-ba-ba. Sorry, I didn't do the drop heel. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Okay, so it's all the weight here to then all the weight back on the front foot. Instead of doing a butt kick in the same speed and sharpness, we're gonna extend that to the side. Okay. And as we get that sharp motion to the side, from there we're gonna continue that movement, but it's gonna be gradual from that point on. So it's very sharp here, and then it continues gradually. So we'll go here, and then it'll go around. From there, we're gonna rotate with it, and we're gonna do a drum pullback. Okay, so without any rotations, if like there was no spinning involved, what we're doing is we're going swing, then we're gonna switch feet, Okay. 8, 2, 3. Treble and tip and. Okay. So that swing kind of helps that switch become a little bit more efficient. Okay. It doesn't go against the grain, it goes with it, if that makes sense. Da. After that, so maybe a quick thing on the drum pullback. So it's a very quick drum. There's really no time to give it an extra twist. You're basically scooping in and immediately stepping to the side. When you take that step to the side, right to the side of it, so you don't want to take a big step, right to the side of it, as you press the weight there, you pick up the front tap of the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that 4 is the start of the pullback. Okay. Definitely practice that, the first 4 rhythms, and get in the habit of picking up that tap, because that brush back is always the quietest part of the entire trick. And that's gonna help separate that rhythm from the rest of the pack. Whoever else is doing that trick. So, da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. You're gonna try and get all the way around, but if you don't, kind of spill into the next rhythm. But you want to get this next thing to make a full 360 so that this next foot coming down can have the squaring to the front. Because we're gonna go into a drum, walk, walk, in stage. Okay, so you're doing a regular drum, then you're gonna take one more. Okay, and from there, put all your weight onto the ball of your foot so that you can squish the bug and drop a heel. You really don't want to walk it like pedestrian-like. You really want to like really dig your toe and heel into the floor. Okay, because those can be very quiet if not finessed. Make sure your body's over them. You don't want that to like run off without you. Keep your body over that rhythm. Okay, and that's going to help. So, where were we? 8, 2, 3. So right into another bang. And the drum, 1, 2, 3, bang. You're gonna push off that into a bang, push, and bang. One of those bang, slide, bang tricks. Not really sure what it's called. Bang and bang. Okay, so we spun, we moved, we're gonna keep moving, we're making our way across the stage. It's kind of a simple floor plan, but it's complex and it's not just a straight shot across. We're doing a bunch of different things to get to our destination, which is the other side of the stage. So, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, dip and toe, so we can put all our weight onto that front foot so we can go treble and toe and bang. So it's a back treble and toe and bang. Pass and step, into a spin. Lovely spin. It's a launch and land on the same foot. So I used to call them helicopters because you eventually want to put your toes up in the air when you spin. But you want to keep basically launch and land. The right leg kind of goes for the ride. The right leg will be the first rhythm out though. Spin. Okay. So down, treble and tip and toe. And bang, treble and toe, and bang, pass and down, spin, ba-da-da-ba-bum. Okay. Spin, hop da da da, bang. And tip 1, 2, bang. And it's a pop because we're gonna go into our ba-da-da, tip up and bang. spin, da 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 da, bang. Tip up and bang, and tip down, tip up and bang. And it's another pop right there, bang, because we're gonna go into another rhythm from there. From there. Ooh. So again, walking through that. 2, 3, and treble and tip and toe, diddly toe, hop and a da, 1, 2, 3, slide, dig it da, and a drum up and down, bang, and bang, treble and toe, and bang, pass and da, spin, tip 1, 2, 3, and a dip 1, 1, 2, 3, tip up and bang. So spin, so spin. So after that, you're gonna pop, and you're gonna go into 2 fast trebles, 2 giddy-ups, drop, heel, down, treble hop, tip and toe, and ollie up, and you're gonna do 2 click downs. So first click down, swing up, click down, and ollie up, click down, swing up, click down, treble and toe. So right into the back treble and toe. From there, you're gonna go into hop, toe, up and toe, back foot prep. And that back foot prep is the prep going into the left foot and treble and tip. The left foot version, which is the exact same as the right foot, just the foil of it. Instead of going to stage left, you're going back to stage right. So again, from the top, 8, 2, 3, treble and tip and toe, up, 1, 2, 3, slide, dig it up, bum, and bang, treble and toe, and bang, push and down, spin, bang, get it, pip up, and bang, get it, pip up, get it up, 1, 2, 3, treble and tip and toe, up, click down, treble and toe, hop and toe, in. That last part, up, treble and toe, up and toe. Eventually, when you get the comfort level of it, when you first learn that trick, it's just hop, toe, up, and toe. But as you get more comfortable with it, you can actually like hop that and suspend your weight in the air during that middle portion when you go off your toe. Because you're on the toe here, then you're off it, and then you're back on the toe. You can suspend your weight in the air off the push and make it look like you're up on toe again. And toe, up and toe. Again, very similar to the beginning. You're on toe, but you're not, in that like you really don't put weight on the toe. So it's kind of like a pseudo, we're on toe, but we're not. And it can end up being pretty effective at like kind of checking that box of like doing toe things without, you know, kind of just being on toe. It kind of slows down the rhythm. Anywho, that's the tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions on any of it. There's a whole lot of bells and whistles in this step. Really cool. At first, again, go simple on certain rhythms, all those kind of things. Go simple on the toe, up and toe. Isolate certain things like the run, practice that spin. When you first learn the step, do it in a small floor pattern, small space, but eventually you want to be able to be comfortable enough to stretch it out into longer spaces, because stretching that out is going to allow us to keep our lines intact and keep us up here instead of dancing it all down here. But yeah, plenty of stuff, plenty of rhythm, definitely packs a punch. Let me know how it goes, and we can go from there. Thanks again for having me work on this for you, and look forward to the next one. All right. right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't. That all really feeds into the algorithm to get my videos out to more potential Irish dance enthusiasts like yourself. But yeah, happy dancing, and I will see you next time. Pew.